Hello boaters, welcome to Narrowboat Journeys. My name is Phil, and at the time of recording this, I've lived afloat aboard my narrowboat for nearly 34 years. I share my home with my two cats, Bushka and Midge, and we spend our days travelling around the canal system and making videos. We're on the Ashby Canal, and this video follows on from the night cruise that I did, and we'll be going almost as far as Hinckley, stopping just after Bridge 13. It's a very quiet, remote, rural part of the canal, so there won't be much for me to say. So just sit back and enjoy the trip. There's a very sharp bend coming up, and boats sort of below about 50 foot may well be able to turn around here on this bend. It's not an official winding hole, but you may be able to do it.
Of old Leicestershire, where the fields are green and wide, there's a ribbon of still waters where the narrowboats gently glide. It started back in 1794, when dreams began to steer, when the dreamers and the diggers made their ambitions clear. Oh, the Ashby Canal, winding through the vale, built by hands of men who laboured with pick and with pail. From Marston to Moora, through the English countryside, the Ashby Canal, where history and water abide. With shovels and with spades, they carve through the land, through the clay and the gravel, by the strength of their hands. 22 miles of waterway for coal and for lime, connecting towns and people, bridging space and time. Oh, the Ashby Canal, winding through the vale, built by hands of men who laboured with pick and with pail. From Marston to Moora, through the English countryside, the Ashby Canal, where history and water abide. Through tunnels and through cuttings, over aqueducts so grand, the Ashby flowed with purpose, a lifeline to the land. Time and progress altered the waterway's grand role, yet still it stands a testament to the dreams of old. Oh, the Ashby Canal, winding through the vale, built by hands of men laboured with pick and with pail. From Marston to Moora, through the English countryside, the Ashby Canal, where history and water abide. So here's to the Ashby, a jewel of England's past. May its waters keep on flowing and its legacy everlast. Villages quaint, full of charm, locks to explore, free from harm. Oh, narrowboat, take me slow through the countryside we go.
I hope you enjoy my videos. If you'd like to help me make more videos, there's lots of ways you could support me. There's Patreon, Buy Me a Coffee, PayPal donations, etc. Unfortunately, I make very little money from advertising on YouTube, so all the help is gratefully received. Anyway, no pressure if you can't, that's alright. Well, this is a nice little mooring place, and not too far away from Hinckley by bike, so I'll stop here for a few days. Unfortunately, there won't be any cats at the end of this video because I forgot to set the camera up. I was in that much of a rush to get going because getting the cats in at this time of year is really difficult, and so you have to make the most of it when they both come in at the same time. So until next time, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.